In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Zendesk account owner. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the admin center and how to hand over ownership cleanly and confidently. Start in your Zendesk admin center. Make sure you're signed in with a role that has permission to manage account settings, typically the current owner or a full admin. Ownership controls billing and top-level account authority, so it's important that you proceed carefully and choose the correct person. From the Admin Center homepage, look to the left sidebar and open the account area. This is where global settings and billing details live. Inside Account, go to the Billing section and open Contacts. The Contacts page is the hub for who gets billing communications and who has the right level of access to manage subscriptions. Before you can transfer ownership, the future owner needs to appear here with sufficient billing permissions. If they aren't listed, add them now by selecting Add Billing Admin. This elevates them to a billing administrator, so they'll be available for selection as the new owner. When adding someone, double-check that their profile is up to date and that they use a company-controlled email address. Keeping billing contacts accurate helps avoid missed invoices or access issues later. Once the person you want is visible in the contacts list, select that contact. You'll see an options menu represented by 3 dots next to their name. Open that menu to reveal the available actions for that contact. Choosing the right contact is crucial. There can only be one account owner at a time, and this change gives them full ownership privileges, including billing authority. From the menu, click Make Account Owner. You may be asked to confirm the change. Read the confirmation carefully and proceed. Zendesk will immediately assign ownership to the selected contact. The previous owner will no longer be listed as the account owner, though they'll typically retain their existing admin permissions unless you change those separately. That's it. The ownership handoff is complete. As a quick wrap-up, verify that the new owner appears correctly on the contacts page and that their email and notification preferences are accurate. It's also a good idea to let your finance and security teams know about the change so they can update any internal records. If you ever need to reverse the change, repeat this same process and choose a different contact as the owner. Thanks for watching. With these steps, you can update the Zendesk account owner quickly, keep your billing contacts clean, and maintain clear accountability across your support organization.